The Windows right-click menu is a staple to the operating system, but what if it stops responding after opening? So in this video, here are some fixes you can follow. Now, the easiest way to get rid of such issues is by restarting your PC. Then upon restarting, try using the right-click menu again and check if the issue is resolved. Next to that is to update Windows by opening Settings, go to Windows Update, then choose Check for Updates. Now, if you have any pending updates available, we recommend taking your time to install them. Now, another possible fix is to scan for corruption errors and malware. To do it, open Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, then press Enter. Now, both of these utilities work by scanning the system for underlying issues and then fixing the ones identified automatically. Lastly, clean your context menu by opening regedit, navigate to this following location, then delete any unnecessary entries, and once done, close the registry editor and then restart your computer. When the right-click context menu gets stuck in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.